It's the final morning of my AquaClass experience aboard the Celebrity Reflection, and today we're in Nassau. I do enjoy Nassau, but since this is a shorter 3-day sailing, I decided to stay on board and slow things down a bit. Alright, it is morning. Nassau. Last stop. Instead of rushing off the ship, I wanted to spend today enjoying some of the experiences I hadn't explored yet, especially the food. Celebrity Cruises does dining really well, and I wanted to take the time to savor what makes this ship unique. My morning started in the Solarium. When I visited on a sea day, it was exactly what you'd expect. Lively, busy, and mostly every lounger taken. But in the evenings, and especially early in the mornings, the Solarium feels completely different. There's space, it's quiet, and the whole area feels calm and restorative. If you're someone who loves the Solarium but doesn't love crowds, timing really is everything. Early mornings and evenings are the sweet spot. It's the perfect place to ease into the day, listen to the water, and just relax. After the Solarium, I headed back to Café al Bacio. This is one of my favorite spots on the ship. I love starting my mornings here with coffee, something sweet, and these beautiful views outside of the window. The seating is comfortable and the atmosphere is relaxed, and the service is excellent. You can order right at the counter, or simply take a seat and let the staff come to you, which makes it feel more like a European cafe than a typical cruise coffee bar. Now, they do offer gluten-free options, but I decided to treat myself to a cinnamon roll. I honestly haven't been able to eat one of these in over a decade, and I just wanted a little taste. And sometimes vacation is just about enjoying the moment. It's such an easy, unrushed way to spend the morning, watching the sunrise, sipping coffee, and just letting the day unfold at its own pace. Now, after my time here, it was time to head to Blue for breakfast. Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this. Alright, so I am back at Blue having breakfast at Blue. I've had dinner twice, haven't had breakfast, and this afternoon I think I'm going to order room service for lunch because they have special room service for AquaClass, so I'm going to try that. So I just ordered breakfast, just something simple, an omelet, hash browns, and got coffee, juice, water, so I'm all set. We'll see how it goes. Alright, the first thing I got is smoked salmon. And here is breakfast. So I got an omelet with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes, some bacon. Looks like they put some asparagus on here and little potatoes and a hash brown. So this is breakfast at Blue. Today I did a lot of relaxing with eating sprinkled in between. I was still full from breakfast, but I wanted to stop by the Oceanview Café to show you what lunch looks like here. In my opinion, Celebrity has one of the best buffets at sea when it comes to both variety and flavor. Even on their smaller ships, the buffet is organized into stations, which makes a huge difference. Instead of one long crowded line, you can move easily between sections, which really helps reduce congestion and makes the whole experience feel just slightly a little bit calmer and more enjoyable. Since it was my last day on board, I made sure not to miss the one thing I'd been meaning to try: the liquor-infused ice cream bar. They had a variety of flavors available, but I went for the key lime ice cream, and it was such a fun, unexpected treat. Creamy, citrusy, and just a little spirited. The perfect vacation indulgence before saying goodbye to the ship. Definitely tastes like key lime. Has a strong key lime flavor. Very good. Very tasty. Okay, we are back at Blue, and tonight is going to be a little tough because I see more than two things for the appetizers and the entree that I want to try. So I'm going to, I don't want to get them all because I know I'm not going to eat everything. So I'm going to see what I can actually get maybe 2 appetizers. I want to see if it's possible to get smaller portions of the entree so I can have more than one, but we'll see. But yeah, tonight's menu looks very good, so we'll see. Well, the good thing to know is I asked how many of each the entrees and the appetizers that I can get. He's like, hey, look, if you want all of them, you can get all of them. Both the appetizers and the entrees. So here at Blue, there is no limit. There's no extra charge if you want a second entree. So I did get 2 entrees. I got the pan-seared filet mignon, and there was spinach and ricotta ravioli that I wanted to try, but not a full portion, so he's going to give me a smaller portion of that. So yay, it looks yummy on the menu, so hopefully, well, I know it's going to taste good. There has been nothing here that I have been disappointed about. Well, the nochi only, but not because of the taste. It tasted good. I found that was my first time having nochi, I think that's what it's called, and I don't like the texture of it. It just feels so thick and dense, so I don't think I'll just like that dish, period. But the flavor was good. But everything that I've had here, it has been very good, very delicious. All right, they have this listed as one of their signature Blue menu items. So this is the blue cheese souffle, blue cheese souffle. All right, so I feel like I don't know what this is like. So I think this is sliced pears. So, oh, this is very soft, very soft. Am I supposed to go to the top? And it's, oh, this is good. This is really good. All right, so I'm finished, and that was tasty. I love it's the blue cheese flavor mixed with the pears. That was really, it's interesting how they bring different flavors together. That was really good. I enjoyed it. Now I didn't eat it all, only because I know I ordered other things, and I wanted to be able to get through the menu plus see what they have for dessert. So I'm trying to pace myself, but I just want to try a little bit of different things as much as I can before I leave, because this is the last dinner. So I'll have breakfast. I think I'm going to come here for breakfast in the morning, or I'm trying to decide between that or room service. So we will see. But yes, everything has been so delicious so far. All right, so this is the calamari. I didn't realize it was a salad. But yes, this is grilled calamari. It's a grilled calamari salad. So all right, this is tasty. This looks tasty. This is my filet mignon cooked medium, and I asked for, this is a small portion of the spinach and ricotta ravioli. And my goodness, I just took a first bite of the steak. It is so delicious. And the sauce they have it in, there's like a glaze. Very good, very delicious. Oh, and it's so tender. This is so good. Very good. All right, let me try a piece of the spinach and ricotta ravioli. So it looks like they just gave me 2 raviolis, which is small. I just wanted a sample of it. So, and it's in a red sauce. So here it is. Oh, that tastes good too. I'm glad I got it. Oh my goodness. That sauce just has so much flavor. And the ricotta, see, I love ricotta cheese too. Well, I will tell you, this experience in the AquaClass has been phenomenal. To me, Blue, I like it. I like the food. It's not heavy. It's not like real full and heavy, yet it's very, very flavorful. Just different flavors. I mean, it is so satisfying to me, so, and I don't leave here feeling, like bogged down, like, I've eaten just so much, it doesn't feel heavy. I can go out and still walk around and I don't feel sluggish afterwards. That's what I like about eating here. It's just so tasty. So I'm gonna finish my meal and we'll see what else we get into on this last night. And for dessert, we're just gonna try the classic New York cheesecake with strawberry sauce. To wrap up my final night, I made one last stop at the world-class bar for a classic old-fashioned. It felt like the perfect way to close out a cruise, sitting back, enjoying a beautifully crafted cocktail, and reflecting on a really relaxing AquaClass experience. Sometimes it's those simple moments at the end of the day that stay with you the most. All right, so we are back in Fort Lauderdale and it is time to go home, or time to go back to work, unfortunately. But last few words about the experience overall. This has been a great experience. It was a nice 3-day getaway in the AquaClass. I love the AquaClass experience. Again, like a focus on wellness through healthy eating, through the spa experience, relaxation, fitness classes. Although I didn't get a chance to go. It's only a 3-day cruise. I love this room. The room was great. It's a balcony. There's one feature that I did not share, I think, on this vlog. I shared it on a short video. But let me tell you the feature that I love most about this room. Let me turn this camera around to show you this shower. Look at this. These are jets. This shower will make you not want to leave this room. So you can turn it to the right, and of course you have your shower head, but turn it to the left and you got these jets going. Now, let me close this door a little bit. Turn it further to the left. You got the jets plus the shower head. So when I tell you, I didn't want to get out the shower. Every time I got into the shower, I did not want to get out. This forces you to take extra long showers. I mean, it is just a great experience, especially with the jets hitting your back and everything. This is nice. All right, guys, so this has been a great experience. So I am about to get off. It's 7:23 a.m. Get an Uber and go home and get to work. It's a Monday morning. All right, see you next time. Bye. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.